Welcome to Next Trekking Adventure. We hope that you'll like and subscribe to our channel. On this episode, we are at the Nugget RV Resort in St. Regis, Montana. This is a fantastic resort that sits on 50 acres, located in northwest Montana. One of the things we love about the RV lifestyle is making new friends, and we do that here. And then we go looking for Bigfoot. Did you hear that? Cue the intro. So hey, we are Next Trekking Adventure, and we just wanted to introduce ourselves and who we are. So I'm Mark.
I'm Teri.
And we're Next Trekking Adventure. We sold our bricks and sticks, and we travel full time. Teri works remotely, and I'm retired. Well, I'm not retired because I'm trying to do this YouTube thing. We are at the Nugget RV Resort in St. Regis, Montana.
Yes.
And they have trails. I forget how many miles. I'll put it on a banner above that you can hike all around. I saw turkeys come out of this trail that we're on this morning, about 30 of them. But they say they have Sasquatch on these trails. So we're in search of Bigfoot. All right, we're going to take you with us on the trail. Oh, be very, very scared.
Tara, I think we should separate. You go this way, I'll go that way. No?
No, because I didn't get to bring my phone with my tracker.
Okay.
So that's not happening.
Only because you don't have your phone, right?
Right.
Oh my goodness, I think we're lost. Wait, I thought I heard a squatch. Did you hear that?
Baby, we're here already.
I speak their language. I'm just saying.
We were totally here already.
There's people that don't.
Did we go that way though?
There's people that don't believe, and I'm just saying. I mean, where did I get that language, right?
Your son.
Oh, and Star Wars, I guess. Okay. The hiking trail is just one of the amenities that the Nugget RV Resort has. They have pool tables, foosball tables, ping pong tables, a swimming pool, frisbee golf. But on these trails, eventually we started seeing Bigfoot tracks.
Oh, we came upon another set of Sasquatches. Where could it be? Where could it be? I need to go back here. Look up, look down, look all around. Look behind trees, in front of trees. Well, this is about 10 feet. Here it is. Number 5.
Number 5. I'm the Bigfoot.
Teri thinks she's super cool because she spotted that.
Oh, I am going to leave this right
Oh
here,
my gosh.
and I'm not going to brag the rest of the night.
Okay, well, so within 10 feet is a Bigfoot.
All right. Who's going to find it?
Okay, so it's not a real Sasquatch, but the idea of the scavenger hunt is they've placed these footprints, about 10 of them out there, and once you find the footprints within 10 feet is a Sasquatch, and they come in different sizes. We found all 10. Oh, we just came up to another one. Now look for Bigfoot. Oh, I think Bigfoot's got to be up. Oh, I think I see Bigfoot through the trees. Oh my goodness, I got to go in the trees. Oh, he's a little guy. That's just a baby squatch. That's just a baby squatch there. Okay. this is some of the most fun we've had at a campground.
It
All
is.
joking aside, you know, I mean, it brings out a little bit of, you know, if you like to hike, you get a hike, not real fast because you'll miss them. If you like a scavenger hunt, it's certainly a scavenger hunt. But we're getting our exercise in.
Yes.
We'll have to share how many steps we got in and how many miles. I've got my OnX tracking our steps. So, you know, this is a lot of fun. And they've got a great property. I mean, look at this place.
Are we gonna go pick up our surprise?
Yeah, because we did some Squatch hunting.
Yep.
And we found Squatch. So we're gonna go get our prize. Let's go.
Let's go.
We stayed at the Nugget for 4 weeks, and this has really become one of our favorite RV parks. If you are in Northwest Montana and passing through on your way to Glacier, it is definitely worth making a stop, staying at least a week. There's lots to do in the area, but the RV park itself is fantastic, and the people that run it, we just loved them.
5, is it 6?
Okay, we're in the office. We're gonna pick up our magnets.
Yeah.
Boom! So, you guys, how long have you been doing the game?
This is our first year with it. Every year we do a different hunt on the trail system, and this year it took a long time to come up with one, but that guy back there came up with it.
Oh, you're the madman that came up with that. Good job.
It was really hard.
Yeah.
Well, there's your magnet. You guys get to choose your magnet.
Yay! Okay, Teri, go choose the magnet.
Congratulations on finishing the hunt.
Oh yeah, we're total rock stars. We are Sasquatch hunters for sure.
Now you can say you
We
found it.
graduated.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it's
so-
fun hunt.
What was the other game you had?
Last year we hunted for butterflies. We had
Aw.
a lot of butterflies, and if they were golden, you would bring the golden ones in for a prize. The year before we did golden nuggets, which are rocks. We spray painted them gold and then put glitter on them. And they had numbers. We had a list. So either one, depending on the number you got, it was either fool's gold or worth a prize.
Oh.
Another year we did the tree faces like Ohio State.
Right.
And then we did treasure boxes that had a prize in it, or you got to come into the office and get a prize. Some of them had like big old fake rock diamond things in there. So.
Yeah.
Fun.
Well, the Sasquatch one, we just so you guys know, I mean, we got a lot of messages from people,
Oh, it is. I think it's our best one so far.
and they were like, "That's so cool. We want to come do it."
Now we got to figure out something for next year.
Yeah,
Top it off.
yeah. I don't know how you topped that off. That was pretty good.
I don't know. That's a good one.
Today, got up early, started prepping actually last night a brisket for 2 very special people that we're going to have dinner with that we met here at the Nugget RV Resort in St. Regis, Montana. So I took out the brisket, prepared it, fired up the Traeger, and we're going to have smoked brisket. And I can't wait to show you who we're having dinner with tonight, and lovely people. And here's the story behind it. We lost our first RV in a fire at an RV park when our neighbor's RV caught on fire, and the RV community were so gracious and so generous, so many of them without asking or soliciting help, I should say, offered help, donated money, and shared our story. And then we bumped into one of the couples that did that here at St. Regis, and it touched my heart that people did this. The RV community really, we were amazed at what they did. And so when we found out they were in this park, we decided we would spend some time together. Oh, look, and there he goes. Miss Teri made for our special friends that we're going to go see. What is that? Tell us all about it.
It's zucchini pizza.
Zucchini?
So zucchini, tomato sauce, sausage, onion, mozzarella, mushrooms.
Oh, that can't be good. Oh, it's going to be good.
It's zucchini. It's good for
zucchini.
you.
Yeah, this is healthy.
It'll be good, and it's good for you. It's really good.
Because actually, I was riding my bike getting some video, just riding around to get some video of the thing, and I went past Joel's place yesterday, and I saw you out there doing that thing. I'm like, should I stop and say something to you?
You made a guest appearance because you zoomed by and I went, I think I know who that is.
Oh, did you actually?
I was like, don't tip it. You shouldn't be in charge of this. He's like, why are we taking it?
Don't you hate when they're right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So the Roadsmiths are full-time RV travelers. They're on Instagram, YouTube. Please look them up and subscribe to their channel. They make awesome content. Okay, so here's who we're with. The Roadsmiths! Ken and Pam! With Next Trekking Adventure! Okay, well, we're going to end this in these hot, humid woods, and then we're going to go grab dinner, a cold beverage. So we're going to say goodbye to you guys. Watch for our next video. We keep moving in Montana and exploring new things. We're going to Glacier, we're going to Yellowstone, so we've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. But for now, our squatching is done, so we'll see you
On our next squatching adventure.